begin, inshallah. Okay, today we will discuss chapter 17, which is related to the quality management. Quality management is one of the most important aspects in the operation, okay? And we are still in the planning and control phase of the operation. And as you can see in the presentation that the quality management also, we have two types of, or two places that we need the quality management in. The first one is the market requirements, and the other one is the operation supplies. So all of them, we need the quality to exist for each one of them. Okay, these are the main questions that today we will answer inshallah. The first question is related to what's quality and why it's so important. So first of all, we will define the quality, and after that, how can the quality problems be diagnosed, and we will see the different gaps between the operation steps, and based on each gap, we will find out how to diagnose and repair or fix this gap between the different steps in the operations. After that, we will answer the questions of what steps lead towards conformance to specification. Okay, so inshallah we will see that the quality definition is the continuous conformance to specification. We will see that definition, and we will see what is the meaning of conformance to specification and the steps that lead toward conformance to specification. For the total quality management, we will not discuss it because it's not in our course calendar. So it might be, if you like this subject, which is the quality management, and in my view, it's one of the most interesting subjects in all the operations, you can read this part of the total quality management and see what's the meaning of total quality management, and how can we reach this level of quality. Okay, quality. The quality, first of all, means different things to different persons. As an example, you can say that this product has good quality, while in my view, it does not have the quality that I perceive. So it depends on the customer, or it depends on the person that analyze and evaluate this quality. Okay, so as an example here, these are some of the importance of the quality. Why the quality is important? Okay, because at the end it will make the cost going down. It will make the cost of operation going down. How can it make the operation going down? By, for example, increase the product image in the eye of the customer or consumer. And also, when this image is going up, then also the sales for this product or service will also go up. Okay, and also in the same time, when there is another competitor in the market that produce the same product that you are producing, then he cannot compete with you in the price, because after all you have better quality than him. So this one can increase the revenue, your revenue. Okay, and this is one of the paths that you can see here. We have different paths. Okay, one of them is for the quality is to make the revenue go up through increasing the sales volume and increasing the image of the product. Okay, when we discuss, for example, the service cost, the quality, if the quality is good, or if the quality is up to the expectation of the customer, then okay, now it's the time to define the quality. What's the quality? The quality means conformance to specification or conformance to customer expectation. Okay, so conformance means meet the customer expectation. So the quality from the point of view of the customer, okay, from the customer point of view, means that this product or that product or this service is up to my expectation. This is the quality from the customer point of view. And from the producer point of view, it also means the same thing. Means that I should meet the customer specification. Okay, so in the organization, in my organization, I should increase the quality until I reach a level of customer expectation. What's my customer expect? Then I should increase the quality until I reach the customer expectation. So this is in short sentences that the quality means meeting the customer expectation. Okay, so here in this path, as you can see here, when I increase the quality, when the organization increase the quality, in some of the parts of the business, the service cost or the production cost will go down. And when the production costs go down, then all the operation costs going down also. Another thing makes the quality very important to organizations is that when I increase the quality, the inspection or the inspection and test of the defects in my operation, the cost of this inspection is going also down, which make also all the cost of the operation going down. When I have good quality, okay, that means that if you remember the previous lecture or the lecture that we discussed the inventory, okay, inventory planning and control, we said that the more we have inventory, the more we have cost for the production. So here in the quality, if I want to increase the quality, I should decrease the inventory until the minimum amount that I need in all the operation. So when I increase the quality, the inventory will go down, and by decreasing the inventory, I also will decrease the cost of the capital, which is the cost of the equipments and cost of the spare parts that I have. Okay, and by this way I will reach the operation. I will reduce the cost of all the operation. Okay, this graph shows us a very interesting idea about the importance of the quality. Okay, so by all of these items, by reducing the cost of the operation and by increasing the revenue, the profit of the organization going up. Okay, I will increase the profit of the organization, and this is the main objective in any organization. Okay, so I said that the quality means I should meet the customer expectation. Okay, so this is from the customer point of view, and from my view, from the production view or from the organization view, is that I should do my best to increase the expectation of the customer about the product or service. So here we have two things, and we have to decrease the gap between those two things. The first thing or the first issue here in this graph is that this is from the point of view of the this is from the operation point of view. The quality means customers' expectations for the product or service. Okay, this is from the operation point of view, and in this graph we have two issues related to the quality. The first issue is related to customer expectations for the product or service. Okay, and this expectation is developed before using the product or service. The customer has some expectations about this product or service. Okay, before using the product or service. After the use of the product or service, the customer after using the product or service, the customer will have some perceptions about the product and service. If his perception was not good, that means was not to his previous expectation about the product and service, then we can say that the quality of the product is poor from the customer point of view. Okay, so if the customer perception of the product or service after using this product or service did not reach his previous expectation about the product or service, then we can say here that the quality is bad, the quality is poor. Okay, the quality is poor here. Okay, and in the next situation, which is the second situation here, as you can see that the customer expectation for the product and service meets exactly the customer perception of the product or service. Okay, that means his expectation, the customer expectation, their expectations about the product or service is up to the same level of their perception of the product or service after using this product or service. Then we can say here that the quality is good here. The quality is good, is fair enough, is fair good to the customers. Okay? And in the same time, when the customer expectation, when the customer perception of the product or service exceeds their expectations of the product or service, then we say that this quality is superior. This quality is excellent for this product. Okay, so if I want to buy iPhone 6 and I was expecting that this device is very good and it can meet my requirements and meet my use for the mobile phone, and then when I buy iPhone 6 I found some features that I don't like it, or I found that they removed some of the previous features that I was looking for it. Then even if the iPhone 6 was good or better than the previous one, in my view that iPhone 6 is not meeting my quality or not meeting my expectation. Okay, so this is the quality from the customer's point of view. Then here we can also define quality based on this discussion. We can define the quality is that the quality happened when the customer expectations of the product and service was to the same level of the customer's perception of the product or service. Okay, so this is the quality. We can define quality by this way. Okay, as you can see here, we can see here that if the customer perception was less than customer expectation, then this is poor quality. We can say that this is a poor quality. And here, in the second situation, the quality is acceptable. We can accept this quality. But here in the last situation, we can say that the quality is very good, is excellent here, because because customer perception exceeds the previous expectation about the product and service.